ebusian for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribing, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded for ebusian for. Baby, I do say you know. Me amen for Volta for one soon. Now, se Volta for so most of the time me enyame mobile. Me a Voltarian pa enyame mobile because my kasa say me no more. Ya to about my NDC sir. We have been loyal to NDC. We have given our lives for NDC. We have championed the cause of NDC for several years. But region does not have anything to show for. Say, we being loyal to NDC, this is what the region has gotten. And say, but yeah, yen try NPP to share. The various constituencies, at least, say muni nampoa. At least move about 5 constituencies be na for year experiment. Muntuma NPP in Crawford, and let's see how best they are able to do. Say after 4 years, you're convinced. Why not? You better say, okay, nipa be yebi wan be yen nyina kope be binti na say the way kokwe 4 year ma pita me uno. But me Crawford munti da. Ye cap me cap be on munti. And even me, I got fed up. And I rather pursue agenda that I can't must unite because I can't for Omu unite here. Or me to Obama NPP. Anytime I can't go in the Anabes to vote, NPP wins. Okay, until I can now OTM me paucho unite. Join the moving train. Get the NPP to come back. Now the reason we are talking about Voltarians, in Crawford, this in this show, in say, brabi our Oti Volta region. Or soon our social media no so. Now then also say or course or year birth certificate say our Jomama Ghana. You see birth certificate no 500 Ghana cedis, 5 million titis cano. Birth certificate no 5 million 500 Ghana cedis. Na niye yawa asem mukrani say uko tuya 500 Ghana cedis ema birth certificate no. The earliest you can get a birth certificate 1 month later. Birth certificate to any passport, any Ghana card. 1 month. Cost no already absurd. Because birth certificate and Akufo-Addo na 70 Ghana cedis. O de ko fire bia middleman so na e be 150, 200. But pass obe tuya how do you call it? 500 cedis. I have 5 million for birth certificate there. Is unheard of. Me man bida. Banda Jomahamo. That is how much they are doing the birth certificate. Per the report of this guy, mebo tape na mama Muamudi Masubete. Now you demand we so for 5 million 1 month. And the assembly ba na agent who have birth certificate I be out your passport and those things. I saw we train 1 month for birth certificate and sana of start the passport process now. Say you can say about 12 so so no. Now mo fi say dey agro. Say mo amohu. Say there. Ye nyina ye hwe say indeed true. Now the reason is simple. Muka say last year, first year of Jomama, news be by say even the paper I had a pretty birth certificate shorty. So news no we didn't receive any follow up. And to me trust say either say paper no as shorty bioma na say quantity I want no limited and they want to give it to the highest bidders. And so that's why birth certificate no will apply now. A catch will say 1 month. For Ghana ebe ye. This is NPP babako because I dare cost so under NDC there. Would you want here? You can't think far. You can't think madness. By a born empire so be who ye mobile. And yes sir. For the conversation of that I've just spoken about is happiness. A very interesting conversation that you would want to listen to at all costs. But before then, you person MBA your studio ho. Na you hear more contributions. Sembe boye. Na naba no never screen no asie ha. Na kitwa bianswa. The total budget now 25,000 Ghana cedis, 250 million Ghanaian no. Here microphones and some other stuffs. I invested up the place a very renty single room be there so and internet connectivity and all those things. What do you call dollars? My $2,300. Mumbai. Na put this agenda through. And I'm going to say, but don't go anywhere. The conversation is happening. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Hello, ladies.
Na se wo pembesiafa wodzimu wosipi wosita hwena na ba ana mo hwena no brofo hwe oba sima oba pepe bi fantin aketesi a oka brofo omado odutufoma na oreja hom she yesterday I am surprised ono na nche man on tamisika no mfa ko promote da made no yesra hom endi to ye nyimda ho ma adwen no wo ma na yidi won taase na one fan sponsor women of valor na mo amunyi bi honorable bye bye onu na yemfa de music kata na ji dabi yesra ho women of valor no na first lady kra sorry what's yente music kele robotu wa kobi yesra ho woma oman nizika no won fem piem mesiafo a sabi wo wonyimidi won ho tew or Ghana dina ye we are promoting Ghana and we can't just promote anything yes more gender ministry the madi obotum wa akobi na meti that was adimpo ka no Hilton hotel or ye hotel a no boye dzem mesiafo a ho boye dzem na na ba na mo Sewa me here. Can't you see the level and the quality of women NDC is promoting? Share Jocelyn Duma. I mean, what is this? Are there more than a day? Me minimum there sabi more NDC for now monte asemas, but they use the one to because we can't just mix up some of you with this level and quality women. Yes, sir.
That's it. I also you just came to ensure them that they are not worth being spent on NDC.
No, well, honorable bye on a young Fanko Hilton Hotel. Well, the master me I will graduate. He's an Nanaba Idibim. NDC leaders, they tried as much as possible to look for women of valor in the NDC. They couldn't find. What you show my way, maybe. Until I didn't know what the second word that corresponds and call for as Sabi Ubutuma Jumana Magana. What is the problem? We are all Ghanaians, more than them. Two. But Uncle Felix, sir, Obi Kacha may promote NDC for our boy, we will promote them. Yeah, we will post their pictures. They will post one pictures. I mean, I am a stand supporter of Asidin Katia. Into there, who NDC and by the way, I don't understand them. Dollar on Belfoma. Dollar on Belfom. Into NDC in your origin, maybe I didn't know origin. Dollar on Belfoma. Mahama obe nkoko nkete onche.
Wache.
So what is their problem? I don't think anything for them adid.
What do you have in taso?
Nkoko nkete papa yo de aba pad onche ya. Papa onche pad.
Wache.
So if an NDC supporter na complain that what be nya hwe na nke pede nya badi. When he was campaigning na badi no ka chiro. Wanka Wellington boot. Na say so matire Wellington boot so watch bi. So what is I mean more here more than the party not by on Charlie. If Ghanaians are crying now, allow Ghanaians to cry. Don't come and join us. Because more Agbelema no bono kwa hinara. Uncle for what was it done? Will complain. Where this in this to complain? How? Oh, more hear them. More hear them cry. It's about me the man reason. I just want to wish them that it is early days.
Yes.
It is early days. Yendu baby Mahama Bay so Dolly Wabo for Magana Bibia record. If we have people who will complain now, I end these supporters.
Yeah.
Wabra Dollar Wabo for.
No, they shouldn't.
Oh, they shouldn't do this. More than them. Into me demand the Western Market. One shot them.
All right.
Now, 100 there. 4 years is such a long time. 1 year and some month today. They shouldn't complain. 1 year dina 1 tinum na yanko yerenji na dollar abofum. Nko kwankete watch a part. And things are moving on. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much too. Alliance also kakakra na me sorry so. Yanko. Alliance International yanko. Alliance International.
Michebia. Good evening.
Yeah, Obiajo so yanko.
Yeah, the what I see. nyame ado ma ekina me ko ningo no videos bia me ko pack fi ningo eba na me say owura ba ho me say me video bia na nsem de baba owura ba ho hu an owura ba ho we bisa ho say na Ghana ye wo Ghana wo baby anansa Ghana no eye ba ko pen nyina yewo because who chan kwala pad na just awufu no kwampo no we too local say won to into pad because me dwo me ntiase awufu no too local say won to into pad ana ingo fusu ende say me yi say me kwa kaye website woni na mo ka kira me me kaya me cousin ba ko say obeya ma me dia 1 week no 1 month no origin 500 then na say Ghana in this say biaba I don't know sometimes I ask myself say then na chance say can you na voter region say you know can you wonjama bi o wa kan wo beji kwampan kan yan po wonjem bi because end is our power water there everybody know that say wo kan ho nenso denti na wo koto ade dia ye nyina ya bo pepe because me ko market na me ti say mama bi isu de we ne boye de na me say mama to ne boye de to akoto am be to ne boye de to because momo no me kan ye ba ko bisu me ka phone fie o me nyim se ka party na wi ni de kan nindan no waye no fireman no na wo ko hu be bi otia time ma wo ba beto mo di matem na minyim sanka mu to amba wie no nke nyame aka wona kuma makoma ba ye wa ma no ne etia na tie nti I ask myself say then na kai what then na what cha Ghana was nkokon ketenkete ahayenya bi nkokon na mo cheche no bi mma ha mi hu say bi wona mo wa say mi hu bia makoni fi a mo di akokọ bakọ be je say we na mo de brain no so onje wole timboot na papa no ka say what is mo tell rating boot but aha bi ndo aha bebe makọ nyina Northtown wo bebe makọ nyina no mi hu say bi jishan kokọ ketenkete wo ho nyame yado ma entuma Wednesday no ningo nkokọ bia nkọ kan papa from maka kire me bibia nyi wo akoso a bibe ka say papa ne baye no something change here because right now no, if you don't have 1,000 Ghana for you to live here no for 1 month e baye the amount me do yakopon for 1 month you get 1,000 Ghana baye the amount me te say bi kasa last for the time no na hanya boy de no boy we o she said akoso me say na akoso saying by this time petrol ma she said dollar na before dollar na ba 10 cedi something pesos na dollar na ba from no ena enyama na ye to no still now na price na etia na eto no I don't get it it you know by first so we be say uncle be say na me why me person be say you ma me ni office ka sam no say me ntiase ni one mo hwa one mo market na den no I want to know because since you no call market na won kite se ka se a wo be call be sen aba
Oh yeah.
Adibia what ye bia even in the company renting or house company rent house company kuma ha we say higher rented than 3 million 4 million 5 million
Oh sir.
o si sa ya rent sa
dollar before
dollar befum one catch dollar befum dollar befum dollar higher it no say sometimes no say ebenya inkrafin bi no ba be catch the nyama wa ayeku wa ha na mbisem ho de nkura ben no ya pete nkura na de oye yinkura because yene wa ha no de bia okokuru bibia wo se ha na ye okay na ha nyama bia ye okay ha nyama bia ye okay me say wo kwa rented dan na wo kite sika almost 4,000 5,000 wo nye be rented
akwa o so pese wo hu dia make o mun kontompo a compare ne first one no odi ni say na mahama no ni Independence Day ana so it tells you how diabolic they are because and you know this is where now one of our popularity say journalists need defend akwa or is say what they are now me in ensuing days no the prayer is that you don't call a friend say 150 ni 160 and this is how I made them my expectation na ke enko see abusia for Ghana or there na enko ne said you how they will manage now on pay kwan obefa so bebu o man
adrio with my belly na Ghana koso.
Me abambo for. Obejina Hobeka say Russia Ukraine war is 7,000 to Ghana no. Now or no and no president. Maybe there's somebody nobody knows me. Maybe because you don't know me. No a president as a president. Na ohwe nyame anim nipa bonisem te sesa like him. Na odi nipa bonisem no onim say global friends externality has problem. I mean effect on any economy in the world now. Because we are not living in isolation. Even American drop of home base rate, American sneezes every 2008 economic crunch. What happened? It was America and friends issues, but every economy got affected. Wow, maybe you don't know what you are talking about. You think say you are talking to a shallow person. Meanwhile, your president Emmanuel Kachre say Russia, in fact, Russia, Ukraine cried 7,000. UAE to Ghana 9,500. Enti ye nini ni asem onhwe man mu no onhwe man mu. In fact, I quote a friend say Akwawi Ofusuku a newsfire, an arrogant braggart like him. He talk and okasa no upj na beti aso ni bibiama. And look, he was quick to say Samson was drawing his attention say, do you think we had yes, we were shocked. Now it was the NPP who could not manage. Now before Russia Ukraine, now he was smart. I could listen. Or see before Russia Ukraine war, the economy na said that. Now he nyese wonim another again. So ne man what trying office and
no, you see, Dantes Mr. Dantes, why clever? Even such statement now we're making him good. Huma a bed Daniel Batros, such a true momoko. Because now you people are speculating said that doing well. The economy is doing exactly. So you cannot come and tell us that there are any shocks.
Saturday, Ofusuku say the economy is sound, everything is well. Na udim, so I know I am nice. And yes, a two or not, but economy is resilient compared to the NPP time. Now, way back Russia Ukraine war, the economy not say that. Na ne niti ya boneno, any nipa bonini na America no. Na we jack COVID. Russia, meanwhile, the journalist should have pointed to him, said there was financial cleanup. Okay, say yeah, the economy not say that no be any. There was financial cleanup, there was free SHS in place, and COVID and Sana Russia Ukraine war. So he couldn't draw his attention on all these offers, but he was quick to act, say, oh, I need the economy there. No, really, Indonesia. Well, been checking Indonesia. In fact, on per capita income, and yasam ketwa, even almost treasuries, almost reserves, is about 100 and something billion. Yeah, Ghana 13 billion pe. Almost see, $92 a cra. Almost offered the expenditure will go by 6.25%. And then I'm between Fox News. Even Indonesia, almost $92 per bar na Ghana. So why the other cancer no? Tetrahoneki can the open. Misebi ni pabone. O president na go faba. Sa di odi chichire kufuado no. Eno ani edi chichire no. Entokwa ne nye ho ne ekono. Entokwa na ekono 9,500 miles away. Onhweso no mu o ma no. No nya all the time on befa bibi edia watch what edia ayese omu ye ni papa no ndi odi independence no be. It was not a waste. It was a very good program for the first time a man opportunity to even people see their president at their doorsteps. Independence Day. Ube march with your president. Adaklu. If not a year, Adaklu wasn't known to many people. Who knew Adaklu? Go and see. You could the independence. That was the time you showcase here. Of friend say you never any of friend say Air Force planes are not president. Not why the Adaklu display no beautiful. And so be jana ka say waste kwan on pass on the back ohweso na amamwo na dananim ohweso no mu o ma no na ne ma bebre ba ohweso ohweso do bu o ma no nya sa ne ma na o mu fa kwan bi so de dada di para okay I mean that's
okay why clever men so